Are you someone that burns food or has trouble staying on track? Well, then pay attention, because today we're checking out my cool new magnetic digital timer. Inside the box you have a manual, a USB-C charging cable, and of course the digital timer. On top of the timer, you have a row of buttons to easily control the duration. Then on the back, you have a mounting hole, 4 strong magnets, as well as a pop-out kickstand. This makes it so you could sit it, clip it, or stick it just about anywhere. On the side, you have your charging port as well as your power toggle. You can adjust the brightness here as well. Slide it up and the LED timer powers on. The timer comes in red, blue, and pink. We went with pink because why not? The LED display is super bright and easy to see, even from far away. But what I like about it is you could take it with you. Sure, your oven has a timer, but can you hear it beeping in the bathroom? Well, now you can know when your food is done. Because you could just grab the timer and bring it with you. No matter what you're doing, this is easy to take with you and find a new place to set. The magnets and different mounting options make it super easy to move around. And you can even just throw it in your pocket. It's a bit smaller than a typical phone, so it's easy to tuck away. There are 3 volume levels as well as a vibration mode to notify you when the timer runs out. The timer can count down as well as up. This can count all the way to 9 hours, 59 minutes, and 59 seconds. Pretty cool when you need to time things. The battery life isn't bad either. It can run for 5 hours on the highest brightness setting. So whether you're someone that has trouble staying on track, or has trouble hearing the oven buzzer, or you're someone who needs to time their next race, then this portable digital timer might just be for you. If you'd like to get one for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I've got to go check the oven. See ya!